Thanks for visiting the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Hi, Leo Ryan here. We're going to continue today with our theme that May is Thinline Telecaster Copy Month at the Leo and Dan Ryan channel. And today we have an IYV Thinline Telecaster, which is a different configuration. It's dual humbucker configuration with a three-way switch, I believe. Similar to like, PRS or something. I don't know how many frets it's got. We'll check that when we get in there. But anyway, it's an interesting looking body, and we'll have to take a look at that. Also, on Amazon, it's not listed as IYV, but IVY, like Ivy. I don't know who's the one that made that mistake, but I think that somebody that actually puts IYV on their headstock should know the name of their own guitar. So that's just, I'm just saying. Let's get it open and see what's in the box. See what kind of packaging they have for IYV guitars. Actually, this is a little bit better than the packaging for the Grote guitar, but nowhere near as good as the packaging for the Firefly here. But that's not bad packing for the guitar. I think I paid $135 for this guitar. Maybe a little less, maybe $125. Oh man, there went the truss rod and saddle wrench. Son, is there anything else in that box?
No.
Okay. Looks like we don't even get a cheap patch cable. Just one. Let's see. Maybe we did. Nope. That looks like it's going to say that it's got internal strings on it. Oh, that's nice. Take a look here. I'm not certain that this is a graphic. I heard it's a graphic, but I think if we were to get into the cavity, we might be able to see what's on the other side. But in any case, it's a very nice looking top. Dual humbuckers. It says Destiny CNC wound on each of these humbuckers. The action looks pretty good, with the exception of the high E string. The high E string, well, that might be because of this. But it does say, Daryl XL, string it up, lay it down. So they're professing to have Daryl strings, and if you look inside there, you might be able to tell that they are. At least they got colored ball ends The switch is not like most teles. This neck is very nice, a satin neck. There seems to be absolutely nothing but sealer on it. It's not quite as flat as the one on the Groat, but it is pretty flat. And it's flatter than the one on the Firefly. And just for reference, we're going to show you the headstock where it says IYV and not IVY. And on the headstock, it is finished up here. It's, you know, very shiny on this side. Back side is very satin finish. It is not tuned up, but it will be soon. We'll get Patrick to help me do that. Got a different kind of bridge for a tele, but looks to be a very nice bridge. So anyway, we'll get back to you in a minute as soon as we get this thing tuned up. Okay, we're back. We got it tuned up. This is a very nice guitar. The fretboard appears to be rosewood. It could be something else, but it does have a very fine grain in it. Very hard fretboard. It's a little dry, but it feels nice. It plays very nice. I don't. Okay, that's the, I believe that's the neck position. Close. That's the, and this is the bridge position. And this is kind of cranked down. It's got a lot more volume than these pickups. Very responsive. Very nice guitar. Anyway, we'll let Dan do the playthrough on it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Hey folks, Dan Ryan here. Today we're looking at the IYV ITF300 Thinline. It's supposed to be a Thinline Tele, but there really are no teles that have two humbucking pickups on it. So it's kind of a strange beast of its own. Oh, by the way, we've been having some trouble with having longer videos, so I'm going to try to keep this to around 5 minutes or so. If my vision was better, I could see the timer up on top of the tiny screen of my iPhone. Anyway, this guitar, we've gone from one of my least favorite inexpensive guitars to what has become in just a few minutes one of my favorite inexpensive guitars. First of all, I'm a sucker for pretty wood, and the top of this is spalted maple. It's probably a veneer. It's bound all the way around, so you can't really tell it's even bound on the F-hole. Beautiful job of binding. I mean, everything is very smooth, very well done. It appears that the body is mahogany. There are really no facts, so to speak, on Amazon about these guitars, except that they sell, at least when I looked yesterday, for the almost unbelievable price of $125. It's got a maple neck and something that looks like rosewood, but could be palfaro or kind of hard to tell. Fingerboard. The fretting, the dressing is all very nice. I really have almost nothing bad to say about this guitar. In fact, I don't really have anything bad to say at all. Just look at it. This is a lovely, lovely guitar. If you walked into a store and just saw it hanging on the wall, and then picked it up and played it, and somebody told you that was, say $750, you wouldn't bat an eye. It's got two humbuckers that are Destiny CNC wound pickups. They're just regular humbuckers, so it's just got a 3-position switch. For the money, this guitar is almost an unbelievable value. In a minute, we're going to play a little tune for you. I'm going to keep everything under 5 minutes if I can, so that we don't have a problem sending these files, because my video editing skills, especially on an iPhone, leave a great deal to be desired. Anyway, this is, one thing that we need to tell you, it says it's an IYV. On Amazon, if you look it up, it's an IVY, like Ivy. I don't know if they intended for it to be an Ivy and just didn't spell it right on the headstock, or whether it's an actual IYV. This guitar is kind of a mystery creature to me, but at least for this particular one, it is a lovely instrument, and I'm kind of happy to play it. Anyway, I'm going to stop now, and we're going to go on to play a tune for you, and we'll be back in just a second. Thanks a lot. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be notified of our future videos. Dan Ryan here. Leo Ryan will be sending this out when he gets the files. See you in a minute. Hey folks, we're back. Today we're looking at the IYV ITF 300 Thinline Tele copy, except it's not really a Tele because it has two humbucking pickups. Beautiful, what looks like spalted maple top. Whatever wood it is, it's just a really pretty guitar. Anyway, we need to get going because I don't want to have these files be too long, so that we can transmit them relatively easily. We're going to do a playthrough of the changes, at least, of The Thrill Is Gone by B.B. King. I've been doing a lot of blues lately just because I haven't really had time to completely learn a song just to play it, one time for the channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. And here we go. go. That's the IVY ITF 300. $125, almost unbelievable. This is a really, really nice guitar, folks. And you don't hear me do that very often if you watch this channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon. I'm Dan Ryan. Leo Ryan, my brother, will be putting this together and sending it out probably later today. Want to thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Dan, you did a fine job, a really good job today. I'm very happy to hear that your voice is back as well. And since you like that guitar so much, consider it my Father's Day gift to you. Happy Father's Day.